Hello and welcome to Smart Kitchen channel, where we review the best kitchen gadgets and appliances for your culinary needs. Today, we are going to show you the top 6 food processors of 2024 that are best for chopping, slicing, and shredding. These food processors are designed to make your food preparation faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you want to make salsa, coleslaw, hummus, pizza dough, or anything in between, these food processors can handle it all. Let's take a look at each of them and see what they have to offer. Number 1. Cuisinart DFP 14 BCNY Food Processor 14 Cup. This is a classic and versatile food processor that has a large 14-cup capacity and a powerful 720-watt motor. It comes with a stainless steel chopping blade, a medium slicing disc, a shredding disc, and a dough blade. You can use the pulse button or the on-off switch to control the speed and consistency of your food. The feed tube is extra large, so you can fit whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting them. The parts are dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Some of the key features of this food processor are: it can chop, mince, dice, shred, puree, and knead dough with ease and precision. It has a sturdy and durable construction with a brushed stainless steel finish. It has a safety lock system that prevents the motor from running unless the bowl and lid are properly locked in place. It has a cord storage that keeps the countertop neat and tidy. The Cuisinart DFP 14 BCNY is a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and multifunctional food processor that can handle large batches of food. Number 2. Ninja BN601 Professional Plus Food Processor 9 Cup. This is a sleek and modern food processor that has a 1000-watt motor and a 9-cup capacity. It has 4 preset functions: chop, slice, puree, and dough. You can also use the manual mode to adjust the speed and time to your preference. It comes with 3 blades: a chopping blade, a reversible slicing/shredding disc, and a dough blade. The feed chute has 2 openings, a large one for bigger ingredients and a smaller one for more precise cuts. The bowl, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe and BPA free. Some of the key features of this food processor are: it can chop, slice, puree, and make dough with ease and efficiency. It has a smart and intuitive design with an LED display and a dedicated function button for each task. It has a feed chute pusher that helps guide the food into the blade and doubles as a measuring cup. It has a suction base that keeps the food processor stable and secure on the countertop. The Ninja BN601 is a great choice for anyone who wants a smart and powerful food processor that can perform a variety of tasks with ease. Number 3. Breville BFP 820 BAL Sous Chef 16-Cup Peel and Dice Food Processor. This is a premium and innovative food processor that has a 1200-watt motor and a 16-cup capacity. It has a unique peel and dice function that can peel up to 7 potatoes in 15 seconds and dice up to 12 cups of food in 10 seconds. It comes with a peeling disc, a dicing kit, a micro-serrated S-blade, a reversible shredding disc, a variable slicing disc, a julienne disc, a French fry cutting disc, and a dough blade. It also has a 2.5-cup mini bowl and blade for smaller tasks. The LCD display shows the count-up and countdown timer and the auto-pulse function. The feed chute has 3 different widths to accommodate different sizes of food. The bowl, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe and BPA free. Some of the key features of this food processor are: it can peel and dice food in seconds, saving you time and hassle. It has a heavy-duty and elegant construction with a brushed aluminum finish. It has a pause button that allows you to stop the processing and add ingredients or seasonings as needed. It has a storage box that keeps the accessories organized and accessible. The Breville Sous Chef 16-Cup Peel and Amp Dice Food Processor is a great choice for anyone who wants a high-end and innovative food processor that can peel and dice food in seconds. Number 4. KitchenAid KFP 0718ER 7-Cup Food Processor Chop, Puree, Shred, and Slice. This is a compact and convenient food processor that has a 300-watt motor and a 7-cup capacity. It has 3 speed options: high, low, and pulse. It comes with a multi-purpose blade, a reversible medium slicing/shredding disc, and a dough blade. The feed tube has a pusher that helps guide the food into the blade. The bowl, lid, and blades have a latch design that makes them easy to assemble and disassemble. They are also dishwasher safe and BPA free. Some of the key features of this food processor are: it can chop, puree, shred and slice with ease and simplicity. It has a compact and lightweight design that takes up minimal space on the countertop and is easy to store. It has a one-click, twist-free bowl assembly that makes it easy to set up and use. It has a sealed, leak-resistant work bowl that prevents messes and spills. The KitchenAid KFP0718ER is a great choice for anyone who needs a simple and easy-to-use food processor that can chop, puree, shred and slice. Number 5. GE G8P1A ASSPSS 12-cup food processor with accessories. This is a durable and versatile food processor that has a 550-watt motor and a 12-cup capacity. It has 3 speed settings: low, high, and pulse. It comes with 3 feeding tubes, a large one for whole ingredients, a medium one for sliced or shredded ingredients, and a small one for nuts or herbs. It also comes with 3 discs, a slicing disc, a shredding disc, and a grating disc. It also has a dough blade for making bread, pizza, or pastry dough. The bowl, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe and BPA free. Some of the key features of this food processor are: it can slice, shred, grate and make dough with ease and versatility. It has a sturdy and ergonomic construction with a stainless steel finish. It has a safety lock system that prevents the blade from spinning unless the lid is locked in place. It has a cord wrap that keeps the cord neat and tidy. The GE G8P1A ASSPSS food processor is a great choice for anyone who wants a sturdy and adaptable food processor that can handle a variety of ingredients and recipes. Number 6. NutriBullet NBP50100 food processor 450 watts with 7-cup capacity. This is a sleek and compact food processor that has a 450-watt motor and a 7-cup capacity. It has 2 speed settings, chop and puree. It comes with 4 attachments: a slicing disc, a shredding disc, a chopping blade, and a dough blade. The feed tube has a pusher that helps guide the food into the blade. The bowl, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe and BPA free. Some of the key features of this food processor are: it can slice, shred, chop and make dough with ease and efficiency. It has a simple and elegant design with a black and silver finish. It has a snap-on lid that makes it easy to store and transport the food. It has a suction base that keeps the food processor stable and secure on the countertop. The NutriBullet NBP50100 is a great choice for anyone who needs a simple and efficient food processor that can slice, shred, chop and make dough. That's it for our top 6 food processors of 2024 that are best for chopping, slicing, and shredding. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Smart Kitchen channel for more reviews of kitchen gadgets and appliances. Thank you for watching and see you next time.